guys, welcome back to this another MBA podcast. Today I'm at SIDTM. मेरे साथ है स्कंदा. By the way, 98.48 percentile in snap exam. Calls आए थे SIBM पुणे से, SMHRD से calls आए थे, but वो convert नहीं हो पाए. And SII भी convert हो चुका था, SIDTM भी convert हुआ, and he opted SIDTM over and above SIIB by the way. मेरा पहला question 98.48 फोड़ने के बाद बहुत सारे बच्चे आज भी सोचते हैं कि यार SIIB would have been a better option, right?
Correct.
But you know why SIDTM, right? Better option for you. So यार SIDTM क्यों choose किया over and above SIIB?
So the main reason was just because of technology. I'm a engineer, so
Okay.
I have a work ex of around 44 months prior to this. So I came from a IT background, so I knew that technology is my forte,
Okay.
and that's where I chose SIDTM because it has a niche curriculum and it helps us become the techno manager, which I personally wanted.
Okay.
So focusing on cloud, etc. So
Okay.
the curriculum was aligned to whatever
Okay.
I wanted.
Okay.
So that's the main
And
reason.
do you have any sort of a work ex or you're a fresher?
I have a work ex of around 44 months.
44 months.
Yeah.
44 months का work ex है भाई को and SIDTM choose किया. Now another question for work ex जनता exclusively.
Yeah.
So 44 months का work ex होने के बाद ना people don't really dare to do an MBA because life में थोड़ा settle हो जाते हैं, job होती है, पैसे आते रहते हैं. Why did you choose to do an MBA यार?
Main reason again, even in your client meetings or in your work ex, in a workplace, you tend to focus on delivering what is assigned to you. In the meetings as well. So what is up to your part, you just focus on that. Rather, when you see your manager, who will be focusing on the entire project and the holistic thinking and how to think on a project level or on a whole, like the holistic level, what I'm thinking, that's where clicked me.
No, so I think work ex करते करते ना eventually you get to know that I am lagging somewhere.
Correct.
Folks around me might be a little bit smart.
Yeah.
Sometimes did it happen to you that just for the fact you were not an MBA, you were not given that credit or that kind of a footage and weightage?
Mainly moving into business domain, you know very well it's not possible without a MBA degree.
I get that.
So mainly to shift my domain from being a just technical guy to a techno managerial role.
Okay.
This is where.
What was your compensation or salary before MBA?
It was almost around 6
lakhs.
Yeah.
अब हम बोल सकते कि वो kind of 2.5x हो गया है. आराम से. So now here is the point. He has been placed now, by the way, after 44 months of work at SIDTM. He's been placed. We will not be able to disclose the name of the company, but he's been placed in one of the giant big four. And क्या role है आपका?
Mainly technology risk consulting.
Technology risk consulting. And अगर मैं आपको एक पैकेज का रेंज बता दूं ना, तो I would say SIDTM की एवरेज पैकेज के ऊपर है, SIBM बैंगलोर के एवरेज के पैकेज के ऊपर है, बेबी आइम्स के एवरेज पैकेजेस से ऊपर है, if I'm not wrong, right?
Perfect.
But we're not supposed to disclose the exact package. That's the reason range. Now 44 months of work ex, when you started with SIDTM, did you think कि यार मैं 44 months का work ex लेके जाएगा SIDTM में, will I be able to cope with it? वहाँ पे freshers भी होंगे, curriculum कैसा होगा, I'm not sure about it. Yeah. So do you think it is worth to join SIDTM after having 40 plus months का work ex? I'm asking this for the future aspirants.
Yes, definitely. It's a no-brainer. I encourage all the work ex guys to please come here. Because mainly about it's about the diverse culture here, background, and there are people from hotel management, there are people from biology streams, science streams, for example. Nice. So that's where MBA is all about how you learn on an overall perspective, not just being focused on technology or just general management.
Got it.
This is the place which gives you the overall development which you all.
Next question that just popped up in my mind. So जब आप यहाँ पे आए थे, you had 44 months of work ex. What did you learn here? Something which actually made you better in your soft skills, hard skills, probably Excel, PPT, and the domain knowledge also. How did SIDTM make that difference in your life?
Mainly, all engineers know how to use technology,
right?
Or how to learn technology,
right?
What DTM gave me is how to monetize technology, how to use it on a business perspective.
Oh, that's a good way to look at it. Nice.
That is the main thing what DTM gave me. Like everybody knew cloud, everybody knew what services to use in a cloud, so that your billing at the end of the day or end of the month is, it's on a lower scale. That is where DTM played a major role. Not just an example of cloud, but there are many other aspects. Once anybody goes through the curriculum, they'll get to know the.
Perfect. So 98.48 in Snap. कितने attempts लगाए थे? 1, 2, 3 या सब?
My sincere advice: give all 3.
ऑल थ्री, हाँ ये बहुत सारे बच्चे कह रहे हैं इस बारी, बिकॉज स्नैप का 2020 में पैटर्न चेंज हुआ था
Yeah.
जब 3 अटेम्प्ट आए थे, सो 20, 21, 22, 23, 4 साल में बच्चों को ये रियलाइज हुआ कि बॉस गिव ऑल अटेम्प्ट्स. यू गॉट योर हाईएस्ट इन विच अटेम्प्ट, फर्स्ट, सेकंड और थर्ड?
Third.
होली शिट, ये थर्ड वाला भी बहुत है, बिकॉज आई इंटरव्यूड सो मेनी स्टूडेंट्स in SAB Pune, SM HRD, now SIDTM also. A lot of them have got a good percentile in the third attempt, so I think that helps. So all
All 3.
Okay, all exams must
All
be
3.
given.
Yeah.
Fantastic. So how has been the journey, like this 1.5 year in SIDTM? Is it worth?
To very worth. To be frank, it was a roller coaster ride. I don't
Absolutely.
not fake it here because I found it difficult to cope up to the rigorous academics here because I had a gap of not attending classes. So that's where you learn. That's where you learn. Your roommates are going to be freshers or they're from BCom background. So that's where I basically have a I do not have much exposure to finance. So when they teach you finance, like anything about finance or accounting, so that's when my roommates help me. Any
That's nice.
yeah, any subjects related to technology I can pitch in. So that's
Fantastic.
the peer learning what we get here.
Perfect.
And a residential program.
Nice
That's a
campus.
added advantage.
Hilltop campus.
Yeah. So
My last question for the day would be, see, अगर हम देखते हैं ना ट्रेडिशनली, ठीक है, मतलब सच्ची सच्ची बताना,
sure.
पहला होता है SIBM पुणे, इट्स माइटी SIBM पुणे नो डाउट,
Yeah.
देन यू हैव SM HRD,
Yeah.
देन SIB बोलते हैं, कोई SIBM बैंगलोर बोलता है. I तो always put SIDTM little ahead because I know students, I know the profiles and everything. जब 44 मंथ्स का वर्क एक्स होता है तब बच्चा लोग नॉर्मली ये जो रैंकिंग है वो फॉलो करता है, राइट? यू नो डिसाइडेड टू गो SIDTM के लिए. डू यू बिलीव दिस रैंकिंग या फिर ये अभी चेंज होना चाहिए कहीं ना कहीं कि भाई नहीं, SIDTM की वैल्यू जेन्युइनली बढ़ रही है? क्या थॉट प्रोसेस था उस टाइम तुम्हारे दिमाग में?
mainly it was 2 or 3 factors
हाँ
influenced me
हाँ, in a bullet point if you
in a
can.
bullet point. Yeah. First factor, one of my cousins was graduated from here.
Ah,
he was an
nice.
he
So
was an-
first hand information
Yeah,
थी
first
तुम्हारे
hand
पास.
information.
Wow.
जो genuine as a student, as a family member also. He given a plus mark.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. So
I saw his career change.
Right,
Legit,
right.
I saw his career change right in front of my eyes.
Right. So this is what you guys also need to understand, right? Even alumni talk good stuff about it. Go ahead.
And secondly, again repeating my point, curriculum. Again aligned to whatever I wanted. And the thirdly, again sir's video. One of sir's video which influenced me. I still give credit to sir.
नहीं यार, काफी आपकी मेहनत है. मैं I'm just a mentor out there, working hard for students by the way. But हाँ, ये चीज ना हमें समझनी चाहिए guys कि जो रैंकिंग होती है ना वो हर साल चेंज होती है. And this is what I want to tell you, that you need to have a good perspective. जैसे Skanda, he's a brilliant student man. Well, 98.48 snap लाना is not a joke by the way. So थोड़ा सा देख लेना रैंकिंग वगैरह के बारे में, and then you do your own research also, understand आपको क्या प्रोफाइल चाहिए, and then dive into it. Any last tip that you want to give it to future aspirants for SNAP or MBA? Because now you have achieved so many things in life, you are in a position to give some gyan to them.
Okay.
Right? What kind of gyan you want to give to them?
To any aspirants, staying motivated in your preparation journey, that is the main thing.
Right.
Everybody is capable of achieving anything in life. Just stay motivated. There will be ups and downs in your preparation journey. Just watch some videos or write some codes, refer to books or refer to videos.
Thank you.
Anywhere. Gather motivation from anywhere. Just trust the process. You'll get it.
Be in the game. Be in the game till the end.
That's
Thank you so very much, Skanda. Nice talking to you. I wish you all the very best. May God
Thank
bless
you
you.
so much.
Great stuff यार, मतलब great achievements. And guys, इस वीडियो को like बनता है, share करना अपने friends के साथ, and do hit that subscribe button for the channel, and do watch out for Skanda. Thank you so very much.
Thank you.